All right, everybody, welcome to our second step lesson for today. Today's lesson is all about being assertive. All right, so what I want you to do is take a look at these two pictures that I just took. I know they're kind of goofy. And think to yourself, which of these is aggressive? Which of these is aggressive? Hopefully, you're thinking that this one over here is the aggressive one. That's what I think, at least. If somebody was looking at me like this, I would be like, okay, ooh, all right. But if somebody was having this kind of posture over here, I wouldn't really think too much of it. It wouldn't make me uncomfortable or anything. So how would you feel if someone looked at you like this? If someone looked at you in this aggressive way, how would that make you feel? For me personally, I think that it would make me feel uncomfortable. It might kind of make me feel anxious or like nervous or scared about that person. It definitely would not make me want to like go talk to them. So is this a respectful way to stand when you're trying to communicate what you want or need? Is it a good idea to stand in that aggressive way when you're trying to tell someone what you want or need? I don't think it's a good idea to stand like that when you're trying to get some help. Whenever you're trying to get some help, if you're standing in an aggressive way, it's probably going to tell people that like you don't want their help, that maybe you think like you're too good for them, or maybe you just look scary and they're just not going to feel comfortable coming to talk to you. So standing in that aggressive way when you're trying to communicate something that you want or something that you need is really not a good idea. Okay, let's take a look at this other picture, okay? Think to yourself, what do you think I am modeling in this picture? What kind of emotion am I dealing with here? You might have said that I may look a little bit sad or a little bit uninterested, or maybe just kind of like shut down. So this is actually modeling passive. So a passive posture is the opposite of an aggressive posture. So instead of standing up there and being like, I'm upset, now I'm sitting back here and I'm just choosing to like not be involved in anything because I just don't know what to do. Okay, so I'm sitting back, I'm not really doing anything or like asking for help even though I need it. That would be a passive posture. So do you think that this is a position that's going to help you get what you want or need? If I'm standing here in a passive posture, is this going to help me get what I need? I don't think this is going to help me get what I need either, okay? I'm thinking if I'm trying to tell somebody I need this, and I'm sitting here and I say, I need this, I don't think they're really going to like want to help me that much, because it kind of makes me seem like a pushover, like, oh, well, I need this, but they're thinking, okay, well, she doesn't seem that like loud and in charge, so like, does she really need help? Like, or is she just like, I don't know. It's gonna make people feel like maybe I don't need the help, you know? Because maybe I'm just a little shy or a little weak, which, you know, sometimes is fine. But when I'm trying to tell someone I need this right now, that passive posture back here isn't really gonna be helpful for me. See what I mean? Okay. So what does this mean for this week's lesson? This means that this week you are going to practice using your body, words, and your tone of voice to communicate what you want or need when you're dealing with friends and adults. This is called being assertive. So basically we are going to talk about how to use your body, your words, and your tone to communicate to friends and adults correctly. So far, what do you think you could do with posture, words, and tone to be assertive? All right, being assertive is a skill that you can use when solving problems, standing up for yourself and others, and making friends. We're going to talk more about this during tomorrow's lesson, but I hope this gave you a good idea of what we are going to be talking about this week for our second step lesson. All right, friends, I will talk to you later.